Assalamu alaikum tech lovers. Welcome back to Sam Tech. Today, we're exploring a truly unique and powerful Islamic gadget, the SQ668 Smart Zicker Ring. It's more than just a Tasbih counter. It features a smart OLED display, Bluetooth connectivity, and even Azan prayer reminders. Let's unbox it and see if it's worth your money. Smart Zicker Ring, a charging cable, and a user manual. The ring itself is made of premium stainless steel, making it durable and stylish. The OLED display is small but very clear, and the ring comes in multiple sizes to fit everyone. Key Tasbih counter allows you to track your Zicker up to 999,999 times. Just press the button to count, and the OLED display will keep track for you. One of the standout features is the 5 times prayer reminder. The ring vibrates and alerts you when it's time for Salah, ensuring you never miss a prayer. With Bluetooth support, you can sync the ring to a smartphone app, track your Zicker progress, and customize the prayer reminders. It's a smart way to enhance your daily Islamic practices. This ring is IP68 waterproof, meaning you don't have to worry about washing hands or rain. Plus, the 55 mAh battery ensures long-lasting usage without frequent charging. High-quality stainless steel, build easy to read, OLED display, smart Tasbih counter with a high limit, 5 times prayer reminder, Bluetooth connectivity, waterproof and durable small screen size. Might be difficult to read for some limited app functions, could improve with more features. Overall, this is a fantastic gadget for anyone looking to integrate faith with technology. The SQ668 Smart Zicker Ring is a modern Islamic accessory that makes Zicker tracking and Salah reminders easier than ever. If you're looking for a smart Tasbih counter that also acts as an Azan alarm, this ring is definitely worth checking out. This ring is not just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade for Muslims who want to stay connected to their faith while embracing modern technology. Imagine having a digital assistant for your Zicker and prayers right on your finger. No need to carry a separate Tasbih counter anymore. It's also a great gift idea for your loved ones, especially during Ramadan, Eid, or as a thoughtful present for someone starting their spiritual journey. It's also a great gift idea for your loved ones, especially during Ramadan, Eid, or as a thoughtful present for someone starting their spiritual journey. Would you prefer a smart Tasbih ring or a traditional one? Let me know in the comments. You can add these lines at the end of your video or use them as extra engagement hooks to keep your audience interested. Let me know if you need anything else. Charging is super easy with a magnetic fast charger. Just snap it on and it powers up quickly. Small display, could be a bit bigger for better visibility. App needs improvements, more customization options would be great. Overall, it's a powerful and convenient tool for Muslims looking to enhance their prayer experience. SQ668 Smart Zicker Ring is an amazing gadget for Zicker tracking and Salah reminders. It's stylish, functional, and perfect for daily use. If you're looking for an Islamic tech gadget that truly helps you stay connected to your faith, this is a must-have. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sam Tech. Let me know in the comments what you think about this ring. Would you buy one? See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.